Hey everybody, it's been a long time. I wanted to come to you guys to tell you where I have been. And I have a little Hobby Lobby haul. Right behind me you can see the Snake River in Idaho. It's very beautiful back there. Rocks and hills behind me here. So a great view. So today I'm going to talk about, it's a little viewer discretion advised, just to give you an update of what has happened to me. I came to Idaho in November, or beginning of December. Transferred here thinking that I had a home and everything. Did not have a home. We thought a home or a rental, and that fell through. January 2nd, my family called 911. I went into what they call sepsis, with a major sepsis. Strep throat and pneumonia. So I went in the hospital and they thought they could take care of the sepsis. Fast forward, I was there for 2 months in the hospital. I mean, like a BiPAP machine to get my lungs, I aspirated in it. It went back into my lungs. And my lungs were bad. Just could not function. I was bad. I was in and out of consciousness. They put me on a ventilator. And my family did not see me wake up for a while. It was a scary time in her life. I'm back. I had to pull myself together. Went on a ventilator. I couldn't move. I spent my birthday, my wedding anniversary, and everything in the hospital. I did not wake up until from January 2nd, basically. I had opened my eyes, I was staring at the ceiling, but I didn't know who anybody was. And then finally on January 12th, my family said that when my husband entered the room, or I would smile. I was happy to see him. Anyway, they had me on the ventilator. I woke up from the ventilator. I was doing okay. So the doctors decided to take the ventilator off and get the tube out of my throat. When they did that, I lasted a day and I almost died. I passed out, my heart rate went up, and they thought I was going to go into cardiac arrest. They put me back on the ventilator and I woke up. I was like, not again, the ventilator. I hate the ventilator. The whole situation has given me some PTSD, and because it was almost twice that I had not made it in that hospital. The lung doctor told my husband that I need a tracheotomy because they can't leave the ventilator. It will cause damage. So they agreed to do the tracheotomy just to be on the safe side. So if I needed to be put back on the ventilator and get the trach can be hooked to the ventilator, it would be safer that way. So they did the surgery and did a tracheotomy. Sorry, viewer discretion advised. It's sealed up now. The tracheotomy saved my life, basically, but I'm going to have this scar for the rest of my life, so that's okay. First of all, I could not talk to my family, but it was a while that I could not talk. Next thing is, in this whole situation, my leg wouldn't work. It was my rehab. I'm using a walker still, and my foot is somewhat coming, and I cannot bend my arm all the way back because it was almost the end of February until I got out of the hospital. So it was almost 2 months. And my husband has been taking care of me since this all happened. He has not missed a day in the hospital. He's been there every day. I'm trying to get my channel back up and going. So with that said, I'm glad I'm here to talk to you guys. I survived it. So the first thing I got were these hooks, because I love hooks and I collect hooks. So I got these crochet hooks. They're pretty. You guys can see them. And then I got I love this cotton yarn. I got one of these. and 2 of these. I love this cotton yarn. It is very pretty. Then I got some of these pony beads. Spring colors. I love spring. Spring and fall are my favorite times of the year. So there's that. I got some of this bead mix here. And these were on sale. So I got 5mm elastic, and I got I hope I got the right one, 8mm elastic. Those are for the pony beads. I got this elastic cord needle because all my are packed away in Washington. Oh my goodness, guys, what a mess, huh? And I just got 2 beads. I thought I got more than that, but they weren't having the great sale that I thought they were going to have. Strawberries. Aren't those pretty? And these were marked down to $1.24, and they're different colors. And then I needed some more glue for my cement. Yeah, so that is my Hobby Lobby haul. This was something that I wanted to go do after I got out of the hospital. Crocheting was hard at first because I couldn't move my fingers. If you are new to my channel, my name's Pamela from Pamela's Creations. I like to craft everything, mainly paper crafts as well. I like to do resins and just different types of crafts I like to try. I kind of wanted to give you guys an update. I hope you all can watch this. I hope you can share it out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. You can like and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Bye for now.
Sounds right.